Welcome to the channel. Here we master tricky words and their meanings. Today we're tackling a word that comes up in discussions about language, meaning, and interpretation: ambiguous. It might seem a bit tricky, but by the end of this video, you'll be able to pronounce it with confidence. The correct pronunciation is ambiguous. Let's break it down. First, we have am, which sounds just like the word am in I am. Next is big, pronounced with a hard G, like in big. Then comes you, which sounds like the beginning of you. Finally, us sounds just like the us in bus. Now, let's put it all together. Ambiguous. Try repeating after me. Ambiguous. Now, a little faster. Ambiguous. And at full speed. Ambiguous. Keep practicing, and soon this word will feel natural to you. Now that you've mastered the pronunciation, let's go over the meaning. Ambiguous refers to something that has more than one possible meaning or interpretation, often making it unclear or confusing. And that's it. Now you know how to pronounce ambiguous and what it means. If you found this helpful, give this video a like and share it with others. Comment below with any tricky words you'd like me to cover next, and don't forget to subscribe for more pronunciation guides. See you in the next video.